Are you looking for a summer experience for your child that's both creative and enriching? Welcome to Young Fan Clay Art Camp, where imagination knows no bounds. At Young Fan, we believe in the power of artistic expression. That's why our camp is designed to ignite a passion for clay art and nurture your child's creativity and confidence. Our campers embark on a journey of exploration and discovery as they learn to sculpt, mold, and paint with clay. From pinch pots to intricate sculptures, our campers can explore various clay art techniques, allowing them to unleash their inner artist. But it's not just about creating art, it's about fostering a sense of accomplishment and pride in every child. At Young Fan, we believe in the importance of teamwork and collaboration. Our campers not only learn from our experienced instructors but also from each other, building friendships. Enroll your child today and let their creativity soar at Young Fan Clay Art Camp. Allow them to explore, create, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Visit our website or call us now to learn more about our programs and to schedule a tour.